Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the Signal app message not sending or receiving problem on Android. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap Settings in your mobile. From there, tap Apps to access your installed applications. Next, tap Signal to open its specific app settings. Once you're inside the Signal app settings, tap Force Stop. This will completely close the app and refresh its connection. A confirmation will pop up, so go ahead and tap OK to proceed with stopping the app. Now, tap Permissions. This is where you'll ensure Signal has all the necessary access it needs to function properly. First, tap Contacts and Accounts, then tap Allow. This permission lets Signal sync your contacts and send messages to them. After that, tap back to return to the Permissions menu. Next, tap Notifications, then tap the toggle switch beside all Signal notifications to enable it. This ensures you'll receive alerts when new messages arrive, which is essential for staying connected. Tap back again to return to the Permissions menu. Now tap Phone, then tap Allow. This permission is important because it allows Signal to make and receive calls through the app. Tap back once more. At this point, you need to repeat the same process for other permissions. Make sure to tap Allow for all the permissions Signal needs, including microphone, camera, and photos and videos. These permissions enable you to send voice messages, make video calls, and share media with your contacts. Once you've allowed all necessary permissions, tap back to return to the main Signal app settings. Next, tap App Battery Usage. This setting controls how your phone manages Signal's power consumption. Tap Allow Background Usage to let Signal run in the background without restrictions. Then tap Unrestricted. This ensures Signal can always receive messages and calls even when you're not actively using the app. Now open the Play Store on your device, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen, search for Signal Private Messenger and tap it from the results. Once you're on the Signal app page, look for the Update button right beside Signal Private Messenger. If you see the Update button, tap it to download and install the latest version. If you only see Open, it means your Signal app is already up to date. Wait for the update to finish installing. Once the update is complete, you need to restart your phone. Restarting clears any temporary glitches and applies all the changes you've made. After restarting, your Signal app should be working properly and you'll be able to send and receive messages without any issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.